Are you interested in starting dropshipping for free? Awesome. But starting a dropshipping store still equals starting a real business, a business where you not only need to put time and effort into, but also your money. At one point, you will need to spend money to earn money. Dropshipping for free, most people dream about doing that. The good thing that you can start dropshipping for free, but unfortunately you're still starting a real business. Sooner or later, you will need to spend money to make money. Please don't believe all these gurus that dropshipping can do done for free. So follow me below, learn more about starting with dropshipping for free. What is dropshipping and why do people do it? Let's start by understanding what starting a dropshipping business means. If you already understand it, then you can click here to scroll down to the first tip to start dropshipping for free. If not, then I will explain it really simple to you. You got an online store where you sell products, but you don't have any of these products in your storage or in your house. When someone places an order on your dropshipping store, then you place that same order directly with your dropshipping supplier. Don't worry, there are a lot of apps out there that help you with automating this. For example, Umbrello or these 15 Umbrello alternatives. Then your dropshipping supplier will handle the reset. Think about preparing the packages and sending the order straight to your customer. Now your customer will receive the package straight from your dropshipping supplier and you never touched their product in between. For this video learn this is how it will look like then. The most common question people have now is want my customer know that the package didn't come from me. For example, aren't there advertisement or recipes from the supplier in the packages? No, you just need to make sure that your supplier accept dropshipping, blind dropshipping. You can learn more about blind dropshipping by reading this article here. Alright, but why are people interested in dropshipping and why do people want to dropship? Most people there are researching about dropshipping and want to start a running dropshipping store. Do this for one or more of these reasons. Earning more money. If don't right, then dropshipping could earn you a lot. Just take a look at these success stories. Being their own boss. Some people don't like to work for a boss, so they search for other ways to earn an income. Location independent work. A dropshipping store can be run from just about anywhere with an internet connection as long you can communicate with supplier or customer easily. You can run and manage your business. This is also called being digital nomad. If you are interested in learning more about dropshipping, then I suggest reading this article written by me. Dropshipping for beginners, what is it and how to start today. 5 tips to start dropshipping for free in 2021. I hope in the beginning was helpful for you in case you didn't understand the dropshipping business model yet or if you didn't know why people do dropshipping. So let's begin with 5 amazing tips to start dropshipping for free. You can start dropshipping for free, but you will need to spend money sooner or later. Start dropshipping in the same as starting a real business. Yes, it is a lot of cheaper to start comprise into opening retail store and the taxes might be different if you are just starting, but you still learning a real business. More information about dropshipping tax here. Thanks for watching.